Well, good morning, good morning. Back at you with another video from the GTR. So today we are going to do remote start and power folding mirror module that'll allow the mirrors to fold in when you use the remote. Like when you lock the doors and walk away, the mirrors will fold in. So from the factory, you know you have this little button here that'll make the mirrors fold in. Let's see. Guess I gotta have power on. So basically that's it. So you can so what we're gonna do is install the module so that when you use the lock on the remote, it'll have the mirrors fold in automatically. So you want to do that and the remote start. The remote start is going to be using the factory remote, and you just click the remote 3 times and it'll start the car. So let's get these things installed. Alright, so with both of these things, you have to take the same panel off in the inside of the car. So that's why I'm just going to do them both at the same time instead of making 2 separate videos. So all you gotta do is take the inside panel off. For this one, you actually have to take off the panel where that button actually is to put this in line. That one, you still have to go down to the body control module down here. So same thing, it's in the same area for this one and that one. So let's get these panels off and get started. All right, so we got this panel out. We got this panel off. Now I got to get this one off so I can get behind here. All right, so we got this up. The module itself. And I'm gonna need my phone for a flashlight so I can see down here. There we go. Try this. Save those in case we need them. All right, so now we have trying to use my phone for some light so you can see. We have the panel. We have the panel for the folding mirrors undone. I have the module in place. It's just in line. And I have the power wires fed down through the dash. One set of wires needs to go across to the passenger side to the body control module. The other one goes to fuse box. So these 2 wires here, I'm gonna have to feed to the other side of the car to hook them up to the body control module on the other side, which is over there behind that kick panel. So I got that wire run from the driver's side up over the tunnel. Now I'm going to hide it behind the carpet so we can get it hooked up into the body control module right here. All right, so I got those wires all tapped into the body control module. Now I just got to hook the power up and do a test before you put everything back. All right, so here is the power wire. We have to take out this fuse. And install this. Oh, I can hear them working already. So now, should be able to close the other door. So now if we lock the door, the mirrors are closed. If we unlock the door, mirrors are open. Lock. Unlock. So now that all that works, I guess we can, I better check the directions for the remote start. Because I know some of these panels have to stay off. So let me get to that and see if we can get that all hooked up in the same time. Okay, so looking at the directions, like I said, we're just gonna have to take this couple of these panels off anyway. So this one, for the remote start, you have to take off the same panel on the passenger side that I already have off. So it all goes in line with the body control module as well. So let's get that thing installed and make the remote start work along with the power folding mirrors. All right, so the installation of this thing was super simple. I got it all back together. So all you do is you run everything in line. So you have the body control module again. You unplug this, the black plug, and you use the black plug supplied. You put the black plug into the white plug. On the other side, you unplug the green plug from the body control module, plug it into the one that's marked green on the remote start, and then you plug the other side of the green one into the body control module. You hook the ground up, program it, and then all you got to do is, once your car is locked, so you hit the lock button, three times. The mirrors will come back out because the car is started. There it is. All done. You want to cut it back off? 3. Cut it back off. You just hit the lock button 4 times. Now the car is still locked. Mirrors fold back in, and everything works like it should. So now, all I gotta do is tuck the remote start back up in there, put those panels back on this side, put the panels back on the driver's side, make sure all those wires are all tucked away, and we're done. All right, all the panels are back. Replace this panel back. This panel, the kick panels, hook back up on the passenger side. Driver side, the same thing. This panel, the kick panel, and that's it, man. That was a quick and easy installation. And I like it. Works good. So you got the power folding mirrors. You hit that unlock button. Hit the lock button. Yeah, I like it. Slick little install, real fast, about 30 minutes. Hardest part was the power folding mirror part, actually, because you had to run that wire from the driver's side down behind the carpet, behind the dash, and over to the passenger side to the body control module. But real simple. So I think that's gonna do it for today's video. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that share button. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Deuces.